citizens should know before traveling to the U.S. Except for ESTA-eligible travelers and Canadian citizens, nationals of all other countries require a visa stamp issued by a U.S. embassy or consulate in their passport to enter the U.S. Canadian citizens entering the U.S. as visitors are usually admitted in B1 business or B2 pleasure status for up to 6 months. However, U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) officers can shorten this period at their discretion. Canadian citizens applying for admission to the U.S. from a Canadian land port or pre-flight inspection are unlikely to be detained for a refusal to their admission to the U.S. outside of any criminal warrants. Canadian citizens refused entry to the U.S. are generally denied and sent home. This is different from a Canadian citizen applying from a country outside of Canada. For example, if a Canadian citizen applies for admission to the U.S. from Guatemala and refused entry for any reason, i.e. not qualified for a TN or not being able to demonstrate ties to their home country, and Guatemala refuses to accept the Canadian citizen back to Guatemala, then CBP has no choice but to detain the Canadian citizen until they can be processed and returned back to Canada. Please note this information is provided for general educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Please contact our office to schedule a consultation regarding your specific situation.